here is the 664's keyboard. So a bit too grimy for my liking. Good to see it's had a lot of use though. Yeah. So anyway, so I'm going to pull the keys off and give them a good scrub with cream cleanser, and hopefully that should clean it up. Just to get one keycap off, I was a bit worried I was going to break something because I wasn't sure, but yeah, they just pop in like that. So, and there are blue ones and black ones. So, looks like the black ones go with the blue keys. The blue ones go with the white keys. I think I can remember that. Okay, keyboard's almost clean, or almost done. Much cleaner. So some of these stabilizer bars had a bit of rust on them, so I've just used a bit of wet and dry, clean them up. Keys have come up much nicer. Well, the grey ones have at least. The blue ones you can see have got some sun damage. I guess there's not much I can do about that. At least they're not filthy. So, yeah, okay, time to reassemble. All of them are now back in. So the black ones went where the blue keys were, and the blue ones went where the grey keys were. And the space bar, I guess. And yeah, very simple keyboard mat here. So I will put that on whichever way it goes, and then I can start putting the keycaps back on. Okay, I've started putting the keycaps back on, but I'm having a bit of difficulty with this one here. Trying to get the stabilizer bar to go through the holes. So I'm thinking it probably should have done that one first and then do these ones afterwards. So let's try that. Finally got that one on. So now hopefully these two should be okay. Finally got that one on. So now hopefully these two should be okay. Okay. Magnetized screwdriver. Okay, it's in the holes. Put the spring in. Fiddly. Ah, come out of the holes again. Okay, it's in the holes. Push this down. No, the spring's not right. There we go, that's better. And if memory serves, the copy key goes in the middle. Here's the copy key. Get the spring, blow out any dust. Getting there. I've just about finished it. And I just noticed, okay, one spring is a different color. It looks identical. So I'm wondering if that's supposed to be maybe the space bar spring. It's actually wound. Close up. Hand model extraordinaire. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to pull the space bar off, but I just noticed that that one out of all of them has got a different colour. And we've got 3 left, so it's not like it's an additional one. Interesting.